Hi everyone, it's Sarah from gmailfiend. First of all, thanks for watching this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below or check our channel for more videos like this. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to change name in Gmail or in Google in general. Because if you change the name in your Google, it will automatically show it in your Gmail account. So what you're going to do is click your photo here at the right part of your Gmail. Then click manage your Google account. Okay, so it will send you to this dashboard. So what you're going to do is click personal info and then click this name and then you can edit this. So let's try editing this one. So my name is Ira. And for example, I am Smith. So what you're gonna do is click save. You can also add a nickname. So as you can see here, anyone can see this info when they communicate with you or view content you see or you create in Google services. So what are the Google services? These are the Google apps which lets you communicate with other people. So let's now see if it has reflected to my Gmail. So let's refresh this page and then click this. Okay, as you can see, it has now reflected in my Gmail account. Okay, so we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you on our next one. Bye!